Hi, it's Pat here from Videopro, and today we're at our head office here in Brisbane, where we've just upgraded the meeting room technology in one of our huddle rooms. This is a pretty typical setup. Small room, table right up against the wall, and most video systems don't handle it very well. That's why we've gone with the Yealink MeetingBar A25. It's designed for exactly this kind of space. With a 151-degree field of view, even sitting this close, the whole table's in shot, without feeling tight or distorted. Paired with the Yealink CTP25 touch panel, it's a full Microsoft Teams room setup. Just walk in, hit join, and you're away. So if you're looking at upgrading your meeting spaces, make sure you reach out to us here at Videopro.